Hello and welcome to my next tutorial on how to do the Tunisian crochet. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to do the Tunisian Simple Stitch. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to do the first row of your Tunisian crochet, please pause this video and go back to it so you can follow this tutorial with us. So to do the Tunisian Simple Stitch, we are going to be working into the front vertical bar of your first row. We are not going to work in the very first vertical bar because this counts as the first stitch and we already have one loop on our hook. So we will not work into this one, but we are going to work into the next one. So you need to insert your hook from right to left under the front bar, yarn over, and pull up a loop. To the next one, we insert the hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So we've got 3 loops on our hook. We are going to continue to do this till the very last stitch. And when we get to the very last stitch, the end stitch, we are going to do something slightly different. So what we need to do now, we are going to rotate the fabric of your crochet project towards yourself, and you will see 2 bars there, one on the right, one on the left, and we are going to be working under both of these bars. So we insert the hook under both of these bars, we yarn over and pull up a loop, and that's your end stitch. Working the end stitch in this way is going to give you nice neat border. So what we need to do now, we are going to follow the standard return pass. So we yarn over, pull through 1, that's count as your chain, and then we yarn over, pull through 2 right to the end of your row of your return pass. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's it. That's how you do Tunisian Simple Stitch.